In today's video, we're talking about home insurance. Home insurance is a big part of real estate, and it's important to get a good insurance to protect your asset over time. Not only that, but it's also mandatory over here in Quebec. So let's take a deeper dive into the topic and learn all there is to know about it. But first, let's roll the intro. Hi everyone, Josh here, and before we start, I just want to remind you to hit the subscribe button and turn on the post notifications so that I can continue to make more content like this in the future. First, let's start off by really understanding what home insurance is. Home insurance helps protect your home and your belongings in case of theft, loss, or damage. In some cases, it may also help cover additional living expenses if you're temporarily unable to live in your home, such as covering the cost of renting another home or living in a hotel temporarily. Some examples of what your home insurance may cover are damage or loss to your home, damage, theft, or loss to your personal possessions, personal property stolen from your vehicle, damage or insurance to others who visit your home or property, and accidental damage you cause to somebody else's property. So who exactly does your home insurance policy cover? In general, your home insurance policy covers you and your family members. If you share your home or if you rent out a part of it, you must inform your insurance company so they can take note and adjust your policy accordingly. Every insurance has different policies, so it's best to verify with your insurance company to determine who exactly the policy covers. Where home insurance covers the entire property, condo insurance differs in the fact that it covers damage or loss to the inside of your condo and your storage locker. Your condo building, on the other hand, should have insurance policy that covers the outside structure of the building and its common areas. That's why when purchasing a condo, it's important to verify that the condo building has up-to-date building insurances so you can confirm the common areas and building are properly insured. Some of the things condo insurance may pay for include damage to the inside structure of your condo, damage to or loss of your belongings, damage to other condos or common areas caused by an accident in your condo, and additional living expenses up to a certain amount. If you are a landlord and you rent out your unit, it's always a good idea to ask your tenant to get tenant's insurance. And if you are a tenant, you should consider buying tenant's insurance while renting if your landlord doesn't ask for it. Essentially, as a renter, you should have enough insurance to cover the cost of replacing everything in your home. For any type of insurance policy you get, it's always important to make sure you understand what your home insurance covers. You should also understand what types of settlement to expect if you make a claim. By reviewing your policy and ensuring your coverage is sufficient, you will avoid major losses in the future if ever a major event were to occur. A great example of this is the recent heavy rains that occurred in Quebec, causing many properties to have their basements flooded or backed up, including some of my personal properties. Many were affected by this, and unfortunately, those not having the proper types of coverage or sufficient payouts will not be able to recover the full cost to replace their basements as they were before being damaged. Now let's take a look at what your home insurance policy doesn't cover. It's important to note that home insurance doesn't cover predictable events and certain types of unexpected events. Your insurance company doesn't cover events that they consider predictable and related to the maintenance of your home. For example, if you're away for more than 4 days in a row when it's cold outside, your home insurance may not cover damage to your home because of your pipes freezing. Unexpected events such as earthquakes and floods are also usually not covered, and you may need to buy additional coverage for these types of events if you want to be covered. How much does home insurance usually cost? Premiums for home insurance vary depending on the insurance company and are based on many factors. It is based on the type of property you own, the characteristics of the home, the replacement value, the crime rate in the neighborhood, your previous claims history, and the amount of your policy deductible, and the type of policy coverage you choose. To clarify, a deductible is the amount of your claim that you agree to pay before your insurance company pays the rest. Typical deductibles are between $500 and $1,000. When choosing home insurance, it's always best to shop around since premiums will vary from one insurer to another. Getting quotes and comparing prices are always the recommended thing to do. If ever you were to make a claim, it's important to know your settlement options. Typically, your insurance company will review your claim and decide how it will settle it. They will either offer the actual cash value or the replacement value. The actual cash value coverage gives you the cost of the item when it was new minus depreciation. The replacement value coverage gives you the actual cost to replace an item following a covered loss. Just remember, if ever you need to make a claim, be sure to take plenty of pictures, document your actions, and prepare a detailed list of the items affected so you can provide it to the insurer and recuperate your losses accordingly. With that, this video is officially over, and if you made it this far, I want you to let me know below in the comments if you've ever had to make an insurance claim and whether your insurance coverage was sufficient enough or not. Drop a comment below and let me know. If ever you're looking to buy or sell a property in Montreal or its surrounding areas and have any questions, send me a message or an email and I'll be happy to help. You can find my contact information in the drop-down menu right below this video. That's it for this week's video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and turn on the bell notifications for more content like this, and I'll catch you next time.